Today class we will be discussing another problem for finding the centroid of a region. Find the centroid of the region R enclosed between the curves y equal to root x, comma y equal to 1, y equal to 2 and y axis. This is somewhat different type of region between okay. First you draw that graph y equal to root x. This is the graph of y equal to root x. Y equal to root x means this is the curve y square x equal to x. This is the equation of a parabola opening left side the x-axis. Left side of x-axis. So this is y equal to root x. We have to consider the upper part only because the curve is y equal to root x, not y equal to plus or minus root x. So you have to just consider the upper part. Next y equal to 1, other curve is y equal to 2. So between this, the area is the shaded region which is drawn in red color. So if you enlarge this portion, it will be seen like this. This is our area of that region. So how to find the limit of integration? So if you consider a vertical, if you consider a vertical strip, you have to divide this portion into 2 because this strip touches the curve y equal to 1 and y equal to 2. If you consider a vertical strip here, then it will touch y equal to 2 and y equal to root x. So you have to divide this portion into 2 and find this write this as area 1 and area 2, and you have to add these two area. So this is somewhat difficult. So instead of considering taking a vertical strip, you take horizontal strip. Okay. So upper limit is x equal to 0, lower limit is x equal to y square, and when you move this to upper part, you get y equal to 2. The lower limit is y equal to 2, y equal to 1. So when you move this vertical strip to down, you get y equal to 1. So y varies from 1 to 2 and x varies from 0 to y square. This is the graph. This is the limit of integration of this graph. So we treat this as a function of y and find this area to avoid calculating more. If we treat this as a function of y, the problem becomes much simpler. So here we can write x as a function of y. Okay. So area of that region equal to region R equal to integral 1 to 2 y square x equal, the graph is y square, this is x equal to 0. So y square minus 0, f of x minus dx, y square minus 0 dy as function of y. So you got the answer as 7 by 3. Next you have to find x bar. Here also you have to treat as a function of variable as a function of y. So 1 by area of R, area of R integral 1 to 2 half y square the whole square dy. formulas is x bar equal to 1 by area of R, limit of integration from C to D, half times function of y, some w of y into f of y, the whole square, dy. Y bar is 1 by area of R, y times the C to D, y times w of y dy. So this is x bar and y bar is y bar 1 by area of R interval 1 to 2 y times y square dy. So here you got answer as 93 by 70. Here it is 45 by 28. So no need of you to write this as a function of you can calculate as a function of x itself, but you have to find two times. Two times you have to do this. Next is an important theorem, 1 mark question. Theorem of Pappus. Pappus theorem. It states that if R is a bounded plane region, that region is bounded plane region, is R, and L is a line that lies in the plane this is the line, it lies in the plane, then that line also lies in R, then the volume of this solid formed by revolving R, you have to rotate this R treating L as an axis. With respect to this axis, you rotate R. With respect to L, you rotate R. Then the volume will be area of R times distance traveled by the centroid. Distance traveled by centroid. This is the theorem of Pappus. This is a 1 mark question. Okay, stop.